What is it about Ireland that is such a draw for Americans? Is it the fact that 40 million of us can trace our ancestry back to the potato fields? Or is it the beauty of the landscape or the music? Or is it that in Ireland, the inevitable never happens and the unexpected constantly occurs? Only one way to find out. I'm going to have to get up close and personal myself. So I've landed in Shannon and taken a bus to the heart of County Cork, Glengarriff, beautiful town. And I've decided I need to find out a little local color and ask some experts about where to go on my walking tour through Ireland. Hey guys, do you ever go walking? Do you go walking into the hills ever?
There's a forest over there and it's lovely to walk in.
And what else? Are there fun things?
You can go to County Hall and some water parks.
Water parks? There are water parks? Are there waterfalls?
Yeah, most times when you see a river, there's a waterfall.
Well, that makes sense. Most of the time there's a river, there's a water park. Luckily, I'm only a few kilometers from Killarney National Park, where 25,000 acres of unspoiled wilderness are complete with ancient oak woodlands and waterways and legends galore. It's always best, though, to have a local guide to help keep those legends local. So Frank is my man for the day.
Hey Rebecca, this is the first view we've had of Muckross Lake since we started our walk, so let's go down and have a look at it.
Fantastic. Now, if I sit here long enough, stand here long enough, might I see the Loch Ness Monster?
No, you're in the wrong country for the Loch Ness Monster.
Oh, why ruin a good story with the facts? Frank assures me there are no monsters in Ireland, but there are plenty of other legends.
If you're single, and
Yes.
are you single?
I am single, as a matter of fact. Thanks for asking.
Okay.
It took a while, Frank.
And you want to get married, the best thing you can do is get a boat, come through the bridge, and it's said that if you wish to get married and come through underneath Brickeen Bridge in a boat, you'll be married within 12 months. We need to get you a boat.
There's a boat. Hello? Can I have a ride? Is this the act of a desperate woman?
I think so.
What is it about desperation that really stirs the appetite? Fortunately, smack dab in the middle of the park is a newly restored historic tea house ready to nourish hungry travelers with organic food and solar heating. But I can assure you, there's no skimping on luxury here. Is that a scone?
That's a scone, yeah.
With cream? With the...
And a bit of jam.
Okay, can we
Do you
share?
want us?
I know I want both. I want
Okay,
the little
we'll
both.
share.
How much longer do we
believe
have
me?
to walk afterwards?
I'll leave another 4 or 5 miles. So
We can get another one.
we'll work it.
No, we don't want the boat ride. We have to work this off. Okay, so we didn't work it off. The scenery is just too darn beautiful. I'm planning a real workout tomorrow, boat included. I just need to remember to set my alarm clock. Okay, wait for me! Wait! Coming! I'm glad this isn't like the subway, always leaving on time.
Oh, no. We're on West Cork time here. If you all want to join me, I'll just show you what I've packed in my boat that we're going to have for lunch. Local wild venison that I procure myself. As we're already 2 weeks into the hunting season.
Oh, so
Some fresh venison for you.
Oh my God,
Okay.
That's glamorous. Honestly, vacations are not really the best time to start a diet. And after a couple of hours of kayaking, a girl can get rather hungry. And if I was to be stuck on a little island, Frank is definitely the guy I'd want to be stuck with.
So I'll just put the mackerel in.
Is that one of your kayaks, Frank?
Oh, Jesus. I'll be back.
Okay, here, do you want me to cook the squid?
You do
How
the
long?
squid. You keep an eye on the squid there, Rebecca.
Okay. How do you like your venison prepared?
Medium rare.
Medium rare, okay. Me too. Fresh organic vegetables grown on a local farm, smoked mackerel that nearly leapt from the sea, and squid that is still jumping. Spectacular. To Frank, the best meal I've had in Ireland.
Thank you very much.
It scared me at first, but I'm
You
a
got
convert.
used to it.
Yeah,
You got used to it.
exactly. I bet you can convert anyone.
Absolutely. I've been told I'm a carno evangelist. I've converted 2 women to eating venison that have been vegetarians for 16 years. So that must stand for something in Ireland.
I'm
Give us a call.
definitely coming back, but I'm going to call ahead because I'd like you to shoot a couple more
Don't you worry.
a possum or something.
Not a bother.
Here, I'm going to give that to you.
Take care of yourself.
I'm hitching a ride. We just have to hook on a little kayak on the back.
That's no problem.
I'm trying to get to town.
I need you to do me a favour. Bail the boat first.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
If you're afraid of a little water, Ireland's not the place to visit. There's always plenty of wet to go around.
So the greatest thing about a rainy day in Ireland is it's the perfect excuse to go shopping.
Perfect. Wool. Looking for wool. Hats.
Hats down this way.
Okay. Oh, look at this. Is it all Irish? Everything Irish?
All Irish hats, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Is it me?
Very-
Do you think?
Have a look.
Oh yeah, that's nice. That
That's good.
that could really help in my search. Okay, I like that.
And there's another nice one. Look this.
This one maybe is better for my outfit. What do you think?
That's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This one better than that?
Yeah, I prefer that.
You do? Okay, then I'm listening to you. All right, I better get out of Ireland before I run out of money. We did well, didn't we?
Okay.
$47.95.
$47.95. That's a lot of hand work though for $47.95.
Is this one married? That one.
That's the one, right?
Oh, the bag this one.
Yes, go ahead, bag them up. Now that's a haul. Of course, all that shopping can really make a girl thirsty. You stand in any spot in any town and the music will certainly draw you in, as well as some other specialties of the house.
I want to know the mystery of it all.
So you hold your glass and tilt it.
A special way to hold your glass, I love it.
Pull it down.
Yeah, okay. So you tilt?
Tilt the glass.
Okay.
Pull that down. All the way, yeah.
And then I wait till it's full?
Up half, up to here, 3/4.
Okay, that's the kind of pub I love. Just a very short walk from the hotel you're staying in.
And even better when the proprietor of that hotel doubles as a concierge in the morning.
What I've arranged is for a friend of mine to pick you up and bring you up there in his mode of transport. And he's just coming here.
Oh no!
All right?
Oh no!
And we're going to put you
Can
on.
I trust
we're going, Well, I don't know. I've seen him on 2 wheels and 1 wheel.
Uh-oh. This is the way.
That's the way to go. Tie it under your chin. Alright? And don't forget, be nice and happy.
So to the hills I go, where hundreds of families farmed before the famine. But today, only the sheep call home.
So what's the story of that cross?
The legend of this is that a priest was being chased by English soldiers, came along here on his horse,
Okay.
and when he got on top of the rock here, he decided rather than be caught, he would jump. And he jumped from the rock right into Bantry, 4 miles away.
Oh, he was quite an Olympic jumper.
He was indeed, yes. Yes, it's a world record.
Does anyone believe it?
Everybody does.
Oh yeah, me too. I believe it too.
Yeah.
Yeah, that doesn't seem so far. 4 miles-ish.
4 miles about, yeah.
Yeah.
It is that much.
All right, so maybe we should try jumping because I'm getting a little tired.
Okay. Yeah, I mean,
You go first though.
okay.
Oh, but the truth is I'll never get tired of the stories, or the green, or the Irish. I could actually walk from Bantry to Ballyferriter, or Dublin to Donegal, and never run out of tall tales and green rolling hills. But as they say, all good things must come to an end.
So the worst thing about traveling to Ireland is that you have to leave and you have to change out of your comfortable shoes into your city shoes. The best thing about coming to Ireland would be that I chose to walk it because it's in the most spectacular country, up close. I got to see the forests, the waterfalls, the sea. I think the things I'm going to remember are the pubs, the unbelievable food, but most of all, the people. And I have to say, I'm glad I might be related to some of them. I'll be back.
We're having a little technical problem here, and for once, it's not with the camera. This is a motor.
You wanted them.
This is a gas tank. It is full. But as you can see, the motor's not working. But don't worry, it was just a 10-minute ride with the motor, so it'll be maybe 3-4 hours. Oh,